Hello, sixth graders. How are you today? Today we need the books, yes, and we'll finish with the units. Now, camping in the woods. I want you to open your books at pages 60 and 61, okay? Now, look at this. What's this? Yes, it is a tent. That is a tent. Look at the pictures. How many tents are there? How many tents can you see? I want you to look at the pictures. Picture 1, 2, 3. Which food can you see in the pictures? Can you see bread? Can you see fruit? Can you see cake, ice cream, meat? All right. Now I want you to remember these words. Ben, Julia, Greg, and Jessie are camping in the woods. They are camping in a place where there are lots of trees. Lots of trees. Yes? And there are tents, and they are going to sleep in the tents. The children are going to sleep in the tents. Look at picture 2. Jessie and Greg are carrying very heavy suitcases. Yes? What color are the suitcases? Very good. I want you to listen and follow the story in your books. All right? Good. Then you are going to do activity 17. You have to choose one picture. Activity 18, you have to answer the questions, and I want you to pay attention to this. Activity 18. 1. How many tents are there? There are, remember? There are 2, there are 3, there are 4. How many tents are there? 2. Whose suitcase is pink? Is it Julia's? Is it Ben's? Is it Greg's? Whose suitcase is pink? I want you to pay attention to the whose and then Julia's. Look at this. Ben's, Greg's, any suitcase, right? You tell me. Number 3. Has Jessie got a hat? Has she got a hat? Yes? No? You decide. 4. Whose hoodie is it? Oops. Again, is it Ben's? Is it Julia's? Is it Greg's? Oops. Is it Jessie? Jesse's? Right. And finally, who? 5. Who has got a green and yellow hoodie? Who? Who has got a green and yellow hoodie? And here's the difference between whose, Ben's, Julia's, Greg's, or who. And then you have, for example, Julia, Greg, Bessie, or Ben. To finish, the activity, you go to activity 19, you listen and you mark the answers true for yes or false for no. Okay, is that clear? So there are many things you have to do today. Please listen, watch, look at your books and do the activities. Thank you and see you next class.